Hello students, I am Dr. Thamarai. I am here to present the concept of human resource management and its important functions. All corporate strength are dependent on people. The real source of competitive leverage are the culture and the capabilities of your organization that derive from how you manage your people. Success of an organization depends on the nature and the pattern of cooperation of people who constitute the pillar of organized effort. Human resources are the total knowledge, skills, creative abilities and talent of organization workforce. Every organization would expend a great deal of effort to acquire and make full use of such resources. So we can say that human resource management is an art of procuring, developing and maintaining competent workforce to achieve organization goals effectively. It is concerned with effective use of people to achieve organization goals. Human resource management is the process of employing people, training them, compensating them, developing policies and relating them and developing the strategies to retain them. Human resource management is the functions performed in an organization that facilitates the most effective use of people to achieve organization goal. It is the practice of recruiting, hiring, deploying and managing an organization's employee. HRM is really employee management with an emphasis on those employee and asset of business. In this context, employees are sometimes referred to as human capital. As with other business assets, the goal is to make effective use of employees, reducing the risk and maximizing the return on investment. So we can say that in the modern HR technology, the term human capital management has come into more frequent use than the term human resource management, with the widespread adoption by large and mid-sized companies and other organizations of software to manage many HR functions. I hope you have understand what is the concept of human resource management, and hence we can say that it is an important functions performed in an organization and it is make use of the people's effective utilization to achieve the organizational goal. So we can say the core elements of human resource management are organization, people and the management. Now let us see the functions of human resource management. Human resource management functions can broadly be classified into two important categories, that is, the managerial function and the operative functions. The managerial function, as we have studied the functions of management, which are said to be planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating and controlling. Here we have classified the functions as managerial function and operative functions. So the planning, organizing, directing, controlling comes under the managerial function, and in an operative functions we can look at that it starts from procurement, development, compensation, integration and maintenance. So we can say that all the O2O function, that is a recruitment till the retirement, the functions which comes under the operative functions, and as usual we can say that planning, which are the primary functions where the number and the type of employees needed to accomplish organization goals are determined. Research firms score HRM planning, which also helps managements to collect, analyze and identify current plus future needs within the organization. Organizing. Organizing is a process by which the structure and allocation of jobs are determined. So next comes the staffing function. The staffing function is a process by which managers select, train, promote and retire the subordinates, and it involves deciding what type of people should be hired, recruited and to be trained and placed in the particular job. The next comes the directing function, which talks about activating employees at different levels and making them contribute maximum towards the organization goals. Tapping maximum potentiality of an employee via constant motivation and command, which is said to be the prime focus, and hence it is an important management functions. The last function is said to be the controlling function. It is a process of setting standards for performance, checking to see how the actual performance compares with these set standards and taking corrective actions as needed. So we have seen all the managerial functions. Now we are moving on to the operative function, which is also said to be an R2R function, where it talks about the recruitment till the retirement. So we can say that recruitment, it is a process of hiring which brings a pool of prospective candidates who can help organization achieve their goals and allow management to select right candidates from the given pool. That is called recruitment. And we can see that job analysis and design, which describe the nature of the jobs like qualification, skill, work experience required for specific job position, is another important operative task, whereas job design includes outlining tasks, duties and responsibilities into a single work unit to achieve certain goal. So performance appraisal, it talks about checking and analyzing employee performance is another important function human resource management. So it is said to be a development function, where its function involves to improve the knowledge, skill, aptitudes and value of employees so as to enable them to perform their jobs in a better manner in future. These functions may comprise training to employees, executive training to develop managers, organizational developments to strike a better fit between organization culture, organization climate of employees. Compensation. Compensation is a function involves determination of wages and salaries matching with contribution made by employees to organizational goals. In other words, this function ensures equitable and fair remuneration for employees in the organization. It consists of activities such as job evaluation, wage and salary administration. So the next comes the maintenance functions, where it is concerned with protecting and promoting employee while at work. For this purpose, various benefits such as housing, medical, education, transport facilities, etc. are provided to the employees. Several social security measures such as provident fund, pensions, gratuity, group insurance, etc., which are said to be the important functions that is carried out in the operational functions. It is important to know that the managerial and operative functions of human resource management are performed in conjunction with each other in the organization, whether it's large or small. I hope you could understand the concept of human resource management as well as the important function that is carried out in a human resource department. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.